You're making cookies?
Yeah. I like cookies too. Nice. Flour. Oh.
You put flour in?
Yes, me too. The butter is in mouth.
Yeah, you put butter in your mouth?
Yes, me too. Milk.
And chocolate and milk?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, me too. The taste not worry.
It tasted what?
Not worry.
It's not ready to taste. No, it's not ready to taste. Thank you, sweetheart. It is not yet ready to taste. Maybe Mama could get the chocolate chips.
Yes.
And maybe you would let me, yes, give you a couple of chocolate chips, and then we can put chocolate chips into the batter without you eating them. Okay.